Welcome to Season 2, Episode 28 of PlaneSavers! Hello everybody. Today is Saturday. Saturday seems to be some of the days that we've been getting a lot done. As you can see, the hangar right now is fairly empty and quiet, and that's a good thing. Let's take a look out the window. It's been actually, we dipped down to about minus 27 degrees Celsius, and now it's only minus 4. LFR's outside there, nicely plugged in, nice and warm. Fokker's still a frame, but today we got a special guest. Well, actually two guests. Dan Jones here working on the elevator. Dan, season 1. Benjamin, look at this, all the stuff that he's made in the last couple days, bending the strips. Benjamin, you're making something here right now.
Yes.
But we have a special guest.
We have a special guest. Who is it, Mikey?
We'll see. You're gonna be teaching an old dog some old tricks.
Exactly. We'll see how it goes.
Okay, so we're waiting for our special guest to show up. Check this out. Early Christmas.
Early Christmas.
For Benjamin.
Yes.
We bought a small CNC machine.
Yeah.
Like a very introductory one from Amazon. We're gonna try out to use it to cutting up some of the wood that we're gonna need. Some of the smaller wood, including this stuff right here, which you can't really see. But remember, there's a moon. Here, let's go to the drawing here. This part right here. So things like this, we're gonna be trying to cut out with the CNC machine to save time versus doing it by hand. And also, we'll be able to put PlaneSavers logos on various things, and we can throw them up on eBay. Speaking of eBay, postcards are all coming due from the Saturday live or the Sunday live stream. The rib. Where's the rib?
It's in your office.
Oh, the rib's in my office. That's up on eBay right now. Check down the link below. I think it's about $469 at the moment of taping. Anyway, let's get to our special guest. Chucky.
Mikey, what's happening, brother?
Oh, does it remind you of the old ice pile days when, when a camera would be waiting for you?
Snow and everything, eh? That ducked on pretty good again last night, as I can see.
Oh, yeah, no, it's been pretty good. Warm, though, eh?
Yeah. Beautiful. Where's the young kid?
Oh, he's here. He's getting everything ready for you.
Yeah, I want to see one of these. Try this out.
Oh,
Hey,
how are you?
pretty good. So,
Good.
Dad, how's it going?
Okay, show me all the parts you're putting in this. I
Yep.
want to see all the parts.
Right now they're not trimmed yet, so they have like a bit more wood on the edges.
So what are you gonna do to these yet?
We'll go to the sanding belt,
Yeah.
belt sander, whatever, and we'll just remove a bit of wood. So that's good.
Okay, so while Benjamin and Chucky are doing the test fitting, they're going to be modifying it, going through the steps, doing all the stuff that we've already seen on an episode. Let's shout out to another special guest. This turns out to be a good special guest episode of one of the favorites from season 1. Let's go see our friend from Montreal and see what he's up to. He's got a contest for us.
Hello, PlaneSavers fans.
So here's the contest. What aircraft am I bringing in that was built in 1956? That's got a wingspan of 34 feet and a length of 25 feet.
And the first person that guesses right, I will donate $25 to Mikey's DR1 project.
There's the nose. 6 feet, 6 feet quarter wing, and there's the wing. 17 feet long, I guess, from the center line. And the other one is going to go whoop over on the other side.
Now, I have another contest question. I finished watching Mikey's episode, last episode on DR1 with Benjamin. And I told my daughter, I said, that's it. I'm going to Yellowknife for a month to work on that project. You'll have to fend for yourself. What did she tell me? If anybody can guess what her response to me was, another $25 to the DR project. All right? She is a girl. She is 16. I'm giving you a clue. Guess what she told me? Bye for now.
All right, thank you, Bobby. That was a great little segment. Can you guess what aircraft he's getting in? for a chance for him to donate to PlaneSavers. And also, we would like to have Bobby here, so hopefully his daughter said it was okay, because we need all the help we can get. Speaking of help, Benjamin has prepped everything, got the jig ready, he's now getting the glue. Dan, as the boys are messing around with the jig and ribs over there, what's going on here?
Oh, we're still working on the elevator, Mike. Well, we're kind of almost in the home stretch. I'm just finishing the taping. Sometimes you get little corners of the tapes that stick up and stuff, so we'll smooth that over. And if it looks good after that, then we'll put the final finish coat of color on it, which is it's called Nevada silver. It's a really nice, it's almost a sort of an antique blue silver sort of. And then your brother will have a good look at it and fill out the paperwork for it, and it'll be off to stores, I guess.
So if you've seen season 1, Dan gave us some good tips. So if you have a chance, go back, seeing some of those episodes. A lot of this stuff is going to be coming applicable when we get to the triplane in due time. But now let's head back and check out the rib. Benjamin's wondering if this is a mistake.
No, he's doing fine.
Natural.
He's natural. You ready to put this one?
I'm ready for everything you want to do here.
Alright, so you put this one on top. So take your hand. I'll just guide it. So this one you put it in. There you go.
No, just take that glue like that. Look at that, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Good job, you know? Give me a little bit more.
So Chucky,
Yeah.
what do you think about Benjamin's design with how he's got everything set
Pretty
up?
good.
What do you
Just
thought?
these modern epoxies, they stick to everything, eh?
Yeah.
The
What's
old
your-
epoxies probably wouldn't even stuck to this aluminum. Is that how you pronounce that, aluminum? I'm not sure. That's how I always pronounce it. So I guess call it aluminum.
The one big benefit of having the saran wrap versus a mold release or a wax is that the saran wrap does not contaminate the wood with any other chemical.
It's easy to clean up.
It's very easy to clean up. You can see there's hundreds of messages about using every single type of wax, including a lot of people saying we should use silicone after the big silicone debate we had with the polys. Oh,
Yet, right?
You put it right there, it's triangular corner.
there we go. So, what does that mean, folks? We're gonna have to wait to see if Chuck's rib survives the jig, survives the test of time. We're gonna be doing a live stream here tomorrow. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday at the normal time, which is 2 p.m. Mountain Time. Check your local Zulu time for that. So we'll be seeing you guys really quickly. And yeah, we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna make the live stream here in the room. We're gonna be unveiling Chucky's rib live on the live stream to see if it works. So see you guys there. There'll be more fun eBay items. And again, you guys can ask us any questions in the world that you want. And we'll be seeing you very soon. Chucky, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
So what, are we just gonna leave it?
And we want to take it out tomorrow, Mikey?
Bonne fête, Justin. Passe une belle journée.